Hey, it's Aaron here, and if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called Airtasker, and you're wondering, can you really be your own boss, work your own time, and really make $10,750 a month just with this particular website? All right, well, let's take a look at it. We'll find out exactly what you need to do, what are the tasks that you need to do, which countries this is available, how much will you get paid, and the big question is it really worth your time? Okay, now at any time, if you want to get my favorite strategy to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, all you need is your computer and internet connection. I'm happy to send you that strategy. Just click the link below and I'll send that directly to your email if you'd like. Okay, now let's take a look at Airtasker. I have reviewed hundreds of different make money online websites, apps, task websites, business models, you name it, I've reviewed it. And basically with this particular one, again, I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and some of them are great and some of them are just not really worth your time. So let's see if you can really make over $10,000 a month just with this app, right? That's a big income claim right there. Okay, now first of all, let's talk about the website. What is this about? So this is actually a website and an app where you can ask people to do different tasks, and to become a tasker, that's how you make money. All right, and this is based in a few different countries: Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, the UK, Ireland, and the USA. And if you're not in one of these countries, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to use the Airtasker app. All right, if you're outside of those countries, I recommend that you watch one of my other videos to find out exactly how you can generate some full-time income. All right, now this app is pretty cool because what it allows you to do is, if you want to do different tasks, for example, like you don't mind, if you're based in Singapore or you're based in New Zealand or Australia or the US, and you want to do different tasks like cooking or maybe some computer and IT support, right, or repair work, photography, removals, for example, so carrying stuff for people. There's a lot of handyman stuff. There's a lot of furniture assembly as well, a little bit of business and a tiny bit of design. Then you can actually get paid for helping people to do these kinds of tasks. All right, so the way it works is, when you log into your app, you're gonna see a map of your particular country. You can zoom in for your town, and then based on where you live and based on how many jobs there are available, you can apply for those jobs, as there will be listings, and they will list the price that they are willing to pay. You can tell them how much you're going to offer to accept, all right, and then you get hired or not, and then you would drive to that place, that location, find your own transport there, help people to do that particular task. So let's just say you're helping people to remove some of their furniture because they're moving to another house. They will then pay you the money through Airtasker, and everything is held in escrow, so it's very safe, so you don't have to worry about whether or not you're going to get your money. You're definitely going to get your money through Airtasker, all right? And once you complete the task, Airtasker will release that money to you, all right? Now, they do charge a fee when you're first getting started. If you haven't earned more than $400 in a particular week, then they'll charge you 20% fees. So if you're getting paid $100, then you only get to keep $80, which is still pretty good, to be honest, right? And as you get more experience and you work more and you earn more than $400 in a week, then you can go down to 15% fees and then 10% fees eventually. All right, so not too bad, right? 10% is still pretty high, but they are doing a service and they need to get paid as well, right? So you do at least get access to these jobs. Okay, so the big question is, though, is how much do people normally offer on these kind of jobs, right? And how much can you really make per job, right? Now, on average, as I've seen it on the website, people pay roughly between $100 and $200 on average per job. This could be a job that will take you an hour. This could be a job that will take you 3 hours, because sometimes if you're doing removals or handyman jobs, like helping them to repair furniture or a couch or something like that, or helping them to move all their garbage or all their storage from their garage, and they want to move it to another house, that might take you 2 to 3 hours. It's not super short, right? And sometimes they only offer $100, $150, $200, sometimes $250 for that particular job. Okay, now while that's all great and good, okay, sometimes you're not able to pick up jobs because it really depends on the location that you're based in, which part of the country that you're based in, and how many jobs are available at that particular time, and whether or not they pick you when you actually apply for the job, because there are a lot of people that are trying to be Airtaskers in your particular area. All right, so sometimes you might be able to pick up one job today, but then you can't pick up a few jobs. You can't pick up jobs for a few days because it's just there are not that many jobs available, for example, right? Also, you have to take into account the time it takes you to commute to a particular job. So if a job is, 1 hour away and you have to jump on a bus or you have to cycle there or take a train, it's probably not worth your time. But if it's in your area and it's only like 5 minutes away, 15 minutes away by car and you can drive there, then it might be a little bit more reasonable and it will make more sense for you to do that, okay? But let's just say that you do get a lot of jobs, because I mean, this is a big income claim right here, right? It says you can earn up to $10,750 a month on Airtasker, but you have to understand that this is based on the average monthly earnings of their top 1% earners, right? So 99% of people don't make this much on Airtasker. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't make money on Airtasker. It just means that this amount right here, to earn over $10,000 a month, is very, very unlikely. You have to be in the right area, probably a metropolitan area in the US or Australia or Singapore, for example, or the UK, okay? And you must be in a town or a city where there's a lot of jobs and a lot of people that are using the Airtasker app to post jobs, right? And maybe you've got great transport so you can get to the jobs quickly, then maybe, perhaps, you can make a decent amount. But let's just say, on average, you're making about, $100 a job, and you're picking up 2 jobs a day. Okay, so $100 a job, 2 jobs a day. I think that's already really, really good. That's about $200 a day. Let's just say you do Monday to Friday, that's 20 days. You're making about $4,000 before you have to pay your fees. Okay, that's actually pretty good. I would say that that's already a very, very good scenario, but most people won't even be in that scenario, okay? So to get to 10K over, I think that's very, very difficult. But it's a cool way to earn some extra money. If you have this app and you're in one of the big countries that we spoke about where they're available in, this is a great way to make maybe a little bit of extra money here and there, right? It might not be a way to make full-time income. I think you have to be pretty lucky and hustle really hard on the app and be in the right country and city to be able to make over 10K, right? But you can make probably a couple of $1,000s here and there if you're in the right place at the right time, if that makes sense, okay? And it's a great way to make extra money. It's a gig economy, right? The world we live in right now is so different from the world, even 10, 20 years ago. There's so many different ways to make money these days. You don't necessarily have to work a full-time job. So you can check out airtasker.com if you would like, all right? But if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make full-time income, bigger income. Maybe you really want to make $5,000 to $10,000, maybe $15,000 a month, right? And if you would like to learn how to do that, I've got a strategy where you don't have to drive around. You don't necessarily have to be in the best city or town. You could literally live anywhere. You could be in a lake, a mountain. You could live in a tiny little island in the French Polynesia and still get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month or more, right? And this is my favorite way to do it. And if you would like that strategy, just go ahead and click the link in the description box and I will send that directly to your email. All right, I hope you enjoy that training and I hope you enjoyed this review of Airtasker. I hope to see you on another review. Take care.